will talk about how can you find shops in radius on your Clapper app. We go to figure out this solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So in this list here, can you just click here on shops, then here you will find all shops you have. I have no shop live now, so but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list. Click here on radius, then here you will find all radius you have in this list here. Can you want to listen to this radius? That's all. I wish you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.